Hi everyone, Natasha here, makeup artist, founder, and creative director. What an incredible journey it's been since the launch of my best-selling viral HY-GLAM concealer and corrector. I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce the newest addition to my HY-GLAM family, the brand new skincare-infused HY-GLAM powder foundation, the Blurring Flex Tech Hybrid Powder. This hybrid, talc-free, full-performance formula is packed with beneficial ingredients to support the skin's elasticity and moisture. Infused with natural antioxidants, it hydrates and protects against environmental stressors. Our patented biomimetic pigments ensure a flawless skin-like matte finish with a medium buildable coverage. When I wear it, my skin constantly feels silky soft, almost creamy to the touch, blurs my skin's texture literally like a filter, creating a super smooth, hyper-blurring and poreless appearance all day long. You can use it as a foundation directly on top of the Hygiene Primer Serum or any other skincare product, or after spot concealing with my HY-GLAM concealer, of course. Plus, this powder foundation can double as a setting powder to lock in your base, or you can even contour with it. Fun fact, there's absolutely no flashback with this formula and the pigments don't change color when wet. Another amazing fact is that you can use different tools to achieve different finishes. For full coverage and the most perfected finish, I recommend using the HY-LUX sponge that comes in the compact. This is a true game changer. It allows the formula to glide onto the skin effortlessly. For more natural coverage, use a dense face brush and buff it all over the face as if you're applying a liquid foundation. Look how easy and homogeneously the powder glides onto the skin. It blends literally like butter. As a setting powder, just apply it with a powder brush. The HY-GLAM powder foundation comes in a flexible 36 shade range, designed to complement all 50 concealer shades, allowing multiple concealers to match only one single shade of the powder foundation, ensuring a perfect match for every skin tone. You can find your shade in our concealer shade matching chart, or use the foundation tool or the quiz on our website. This packaging is so sleek and beautiful, and it's also sustainable. You can just pop out the old pan and replace it with a new refill. Super easy and eco-friendly. The HY-GLAM powder foundation gives a visible transformation, protection, and feels like skincare, all in one.